What's up, little guy? Come here. It's our little Babydoll ram. He's super tiny, so he's full grown. He's just really small. Unfortunately, you put him up against these guys like Rumble and Big Paul over there, and they don't always let him eat. So sometimes I'll take his feed and kind of separate it out from the others. So, you what? She what? Something wrong. Something wrong with Lovey. She's one of our little Harlequins. What's up, guys? We are here at Lake Tenkiller for Rachel and her twin sister Rebecca's birthday. We weren't going to make a video, but then we decided that Jet had found a new skill in life that just might turn into a career. So Jet wanted to make a video about his new skill. Jet, what is your new skill?
Kneeboarding.
Kneeboarding. What kind of tricks are you going to do today? No idea. All right, let's see what you got.
Here, come over to the back of the boat. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim.
What are you gonna do?
Okay, wait till he gets going first.
Skills? He said skills.
All the skills.
Oh, you should practice in these little speed bubbles.
A little video before he does this.
Okay.
I have taught over 100 kids how to wakeboard, kneeboard, ski, whatever. And I've never seen a talent like Throw Porter. It's there's a bright future. Bright future.
You fell off the board.
What's funny is as you're saying this, he managed to capsize his board.
I'm in neutral.
Get it?
I have never seen a talent like this kid that just threw him off the board, himself off the board.
Don't let that little mess up fool you. This kid is a prodigy.
All right, buddy, here we go. You got this. I'm setting the timer.
For what?
5 minutes.
I'm not dead.
Everybody gets 5 minutes. That way you know you gotta get it done. You gotta get the tricks going. Zeke, do you see that drop cloth on the back right there?
Yes.
Hold it over that. There you go.
Here, Molly, come take it. Can we take it off? Yeah. And then I want to hold
Give it a little kiss. Put it in the bucket.
Grab it. Take it up. Feisty one. I don't.
I'm glad we got that drop cloth over here.
Zeke, get it. Look out. Don't
Hey,
step
get
on
it. Get it.
Molly,
Step
get
on it. Get it. Jump on it.
It's your fish. Maybe it's your fault for catching it. Is it gonna bite?
Yeah.
Molly, Molly, for the last time, fish do
You got it. It's all about, I know.
I was literally
Hold on.
grabbing it.
Let me teach you a lesson. Come here, get the video. It's all about confidence and going in strong. Like, if this fish senses you're scared, then it's gonna flip and it's gonna flop.
It's fighting for its life.
You just have to, so I want you to grab it over this, grab it with your hands like this, boom, and then go boom.
Fish on, fish
Now
on.
grab it hard, grab it hard. Don't show signs of being scared.
Good work.
Fish on.
Yep. Definitely. Maybe I'll get one like this. Definitely.
It looks comfortable. All right, so we're just getting home from the lake. We had a great time with my brother, sister-in-law, my nieces, celebrating Rachel and Rebecca's birthday. Tenkiller is an awesome lake. If you've never been there, it was the original home of Jimmy Houston. Some of you guys know who Jimmy Houston is. But we're just now getting home, so we're gonna check on all the animals. We left them lots of food and water. Hopefully everybody's doing good. Here are the goats, so we're gonna give them a little bit of feed. Usually don't need feed this time of year. They mostly forage on leaves and things like that, but we'll go ahead and give them some feed just in case. What's up, little guy? Come here. It's our little Babydoll ram. He's super tiny, so he's full grown. He's just really small. Unfortunately, you put him up against these guys like Rumble and Big Paul over there, and they don't always let him eat. So sometimes I'll take his feed and kind of separate it out from the others. So, you what? She what? Something wrong. Something wrong with Lovey. She's one of our little Harlequins. Okay, so we got home from the lake and we're checking animals, and Rachel and Zeke came up to check the sheep, and Lovey was stuck over here in the fence. There are some places you can see down here where they try to get through and get the grass. So she had her head through here. You can see how she kind of pushed under, and her head was stuck between this rock and this fence. Kind of one of those moments where you battle between being a YouTuber and documenting things versus being a farmer or a rancher and doing what has to happen. So these animals are you know, a part of our future. And whenever one of them is in danger, especially one of our little Harlequins. So Lovey was born, she's about 6 months old. She is spotted. She has blue eyes, which is the gold mine of what we're looking for with Harlequins. And we lost a couple of sheep recently, a couple lambs to parasites. So the thought of her dying was not good. We went into panic mode. I dropped the camera, didn't even think about filming. All we could think about was getting her help. So in the past, I've been kind of stubborn and done things myself. So I got Lovey out, got her, she wasn't moving, but we got her out, we got her hydrated, we got her some water. I gave her some of the sheep power punch. It's called Red Cell, but the side of her face is really swollen and she just wasn't doing very good. She wasn't able to walk. We had no idea how long she'd been there. We had been gone for 2 days. So we have no idea how long she was there. So we just went ahead and called our local vet and took her to the vet. They're going to be giving her electrolytes and checking her, making sure she's fine. So we dropped her off at the vet, and they're gonna call us back in a little bit and let us know what they find out. But I also have to go to work because we own a business, I have a job. So I'm going to work. Lovey is at the vet, and I'm leaving Rachel and Zeke and the boys in charge of what happens. So hopefully the vet will call us back. I don't know if they're gonna keep her overnight or what they're gonna do, but hopefully they can get her back on her feet, because if we lose another lamb this year, it's gonna be really devastating for us and for our operation. So hopefully it doesn't happen.
Okay, we just got the call from the vet, and he had some good news that Lovey has nothing life-threatening, so that was our #1 concern. And he said that she does have trauma to the right side of her face, and her ear is down, so we know that's the side she was pinned on, and that's going to heal okay, but she will need to take some anti-inflammatory, so he's getting the prescription ready for that. We're going to have to isolate her for about a week and treat her and just keep watching her. So right now, Zeke and I are about to go check out kind of a temporary pen that we've used off and on. It's next to our pool and into our other pen, and then when we bring new ones home, they stay there for a couple weeks while they quarantine. So we're going to make sure all that's working and ready, so when we bring her home, she's ready to go straight in there.
I know what we need to do. We just need to add a little bungee back there.
Well, let's get down there and figure it out.
Yeah, right. It's grown up a little bit because we don't have sheep back there.
I don't think she's going to be sad about that.
No. Well, we haven't had sheep back there in like a month. And it's just like a jungle now.
Okay, so check the perimeter, Zeke. Get all the stuff she could not, that you don't want her to eat out.
I have a lot of flowers.
A lot of beach balls from the pool.
Because this is our 9-square fort. Yeah.
The boys actually made 9 square here. If you guys have ever played that, their youth group plays it. They love it. They figured out a way to make it on their own here, so that's been fun. Zeke, this one rolled down.
Huh? Yeah. This is way bigger than it looks from the front.
I'm pretty sure she's in one of these too.
And now it's literally huge. Now it's literally huge.
Do you have any questions about what we talked about? Well, when you decide to deworm again, let me know. We can run a fecal.
Okay.
And then we can do what's called the fecal egg count reduction test, which is...
You're going to have to hold her, not like that. Here,
No.
you go get in your seat.
How do you want me to hold her? What is happening? This is what happens whenever Dad's at work. Well, we'll see him in a little bit. Gotta drop little Lovey off at home, and then go to the gym. Or Mom drops us off and then takes Lovey back. Whichever one it is. Let's get back on. She's a lot more heavy than she was when she was a lamb. Yeah. Wow. Now she's like a middle.
She's enjoying the snuggles, I think.
She's a middle-aged sheep.
She is not middle-aged, y'all. She's like 6 months old.
Oh man, she grows
She's
fast.
still a baby. he was probably like, y'all are just gonna hold it.
So, we ended up with a sheep in the back seat on my lap whenever Dad's at work because he has his car and the trailer, and we just have Mom's car. So,
But also, that was me when we took Lovey, so this is no different than if Dad were here. Lovey's only 6 months. Look, she's a baby, y'all. She's a little baby.
She weighs like 50 pounds though.
Well, she's still
Zeke,
a baby, and she can be snuggled and held just like that. Look, she loves it.
Zeke, imagine how Dad can pick up like Paul.
See? She's just a sweet little baby.
Mom, I tripped.
Woo! Sorry, babe.
She's like,
How do you feel after that, Mom?
happy birthday, Mom. Thanks for always being there for us, no matter what the condition is.
Happy birthday, Mom. Thank you for always bringing us to and helping us with whatever we need to do, being there whenever we're sad and comforting us and always pushing us to our capabilities.
Happy birthday, to my mom, and she's special to me, and I love her, and this is the greatest time of this year.
Greatest time of the year?
That's all I say.
Yeah. How was your wakeboarding today?
Great.
Did you do great? All right, now you have to hold it so I can talk. So you come sit over here in this chair, and I'm gonna sit in that chair. You have to hold it really still. Can you see me in the picture?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Not your whole body, just your head.
Does it look fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey Rachel, thank you for being such a great mom to our kids, such a good wife to me, such a great business owner, business partner. Today's your birthday. Well, actually yesterday was your birthday, but happy birthday. And I know that one of the best examples of being a great parent is that for your birthday you wanted to come to the lake where you knew it was going to be all about the kids. But that's what we do. And so thank you so much for loving them and loving me and holding us all together even when we're all a hot mess, which is most of the time.